The Nokia drone phone 2026 is expected to be a futuristic concept device that blends smartphone technology with integrated drone functionality, aiming to redefine mobile photography and innovation. According to rumors, the device could feature a detachable mini-drone camera system stored inside the phone, capable of flying short distances to capture aerial photos and videos from unique angles. The main smartphone may include a large high-refresh rate OLED display, powerful flagship-level processor, and advanced AI features to control the drone camera intelligently. Photography is expected to be the main highlight, with ultra-stabilized 4K or even 8K aerial recording, real-time object tracking, and enhanced night shooting capabilities. The phone could also feature a premium build, long-lasting battery to support drone operations, and advanced safety sensors for stable flight control. While Nokia has not officially confirmed such a device, the Nokia drone phone 2026 is expected to be a concept or early prototype, with a possible announcement around late 2026 if development continues, making it one of the most futuristic smartphone ideas ever imagined in the mobile industry.